How to add labels to Instagram chats. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, first thing first, in order to add labels to your Instagram chats, let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app. As you do so, make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. And now let's go ahead and tap onto the messenger icon on your top right-hand side in order for us to access chats. As you do so, you will see various chats here. Simply long tap onto the chat which you would like to label, then you will see Add Label. Tap it. And here you will see various labels. You can go ahead and simply check on any one that you would like. Once done, tap Save. And likewise, you can see this orange icon here. That means this chat has been labeled. If you would like to remove it, the process is the same. Long tap onto it, tap on Edit Label, then tap Save. Just like so, now the label has been removed. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.